Hey guys, so this is Jacob and Envo from Team Ninja Robbers. Just here with our patch 0.2 update. Just a refresher that Ninja Robbers is a multi-device party game which draws cues from existing board games and mobile games to create a compelling social mobile experience between players.
That's exactly it. And last patch, we've essentially had a working skeleton of a game with some old art assets, which we're discontinuing from this week onwards. After the battle of the art styles, we've decided very firmly on the merits of the vector style. And after that, we streamlined up the whole process of creating concept art, leading to a more sophisticated animation process.
Objects that could be interacted with will now pulse in size in order to let players know that that object can be tapped on or interacted with. Upon entering a pressure plate, the player's camera will pan to where the door is to let them know which door that pressure plate affects.
Additionally, on the big screen, there will be a special graphic that notifies every other player that a significant event has been triggered at that location. One major feature we've worked on and implemented this week is the view or that first user contact experience when you join a game. Mobile phone users with their phone clients can join the game, and on their screen, instead of seeing the actual lobby screen, they'll see a class selection screen where they get the descriptions of the class and icons of each of the other classes, so they can scroll through them and click through them to see what abilities they have. And when they've chosen the class they want, then they can click in and say they're ready for the game. And the server or the big host would only show that that player is ready, but it would not show what class that player is.
This allows people to enter the game with a level of secrecy around what class they are, and that's very important because each class has its own secret objectives that they're trying to achieve in tandem with the team's global objective.
In order to add flavor to the gameplay, we initially, when we were constructing the rulebook, we wanted the idea of different ninja classes. So you could have different players with distinct play styles and priorities, and that gets tied in with our idea of betrayal. These individual player classes would have their own hidden agenda that is related to their own ability and their sort of class fantasy. Until next time, Team Ninja Robbers out. Hey! Dude, that's probably decent.